Hi, I'm Keith from the East Coast Palomino Collectors Association. Figure I would show y'all a few of the Palominos we've got. This one right here is named Trigger. It's a real Palomino. It's got a 482 engine in it. Restored in army green. Bumpers have been upgraded. This machine was a basket case when we first got it. This was actually mine when I was a little kid. .482 engine. This is another one we've got. This one's called Farm Boy. This is a Palomino clone. This is built off of a Roof 60 body. .482 engine as well. This one's actually being sold. Transporter is on his way to pick it up today. That's why it's got the tape on the battery cable for transport. This one's got all new metal. It's been bent 14 gauge steel. Single speed hydrostat with a band brake, just like original. Put a hitch on the back of this one too. This one has the optional fender flares on the back of it, which probably about 50% of the machines had them. So we rebuild and restore Palominos, Roof 60s, go-karts, mini bikes, pretty much anything cool. So keep watching and like it if you see something you like. Follow us. There should be videos sooner to come of actually a Palomino rebuild. Thanks. Have a great day.